All right, here we go. Here's our first attempt of a YouTube video from Heritage Gait Farms here in Etowah, Tennessee. Just trying to figure out how to do this stuff, so I thought I'd introduce myself and our little place here. We're just a small little 20-acre farm, like I said, here in East Tennessee. And just wanting to show a few things that we've done around here. Here's our sign. I can switch things around. I hope that'll turn it around. Nope, see there, I'm already messing up. But here we are out here at the entrance to our little farm. Again, it's Heritage Gait Farms here in Tennessee. And I hope you enjoy some of the stuff we've come up with. Going to walk over here and get over here to the barn. What I hope to do is show a few things that I've come up with here on our little farm here. And before we get started, I am not cheap. I am thrifty. There is a big difference. Cheap is never good. Thrifty is always good. And I'll show a few things here on some of my videos, hopefully, that might help you or entertain you or make you just shake your head at it like this guy's crazy. But of the things that I've done here on our little place.